So I don't know what to say now. First of all, I'm pretty shy, so take most of the stuff from my partner, but I will still talk. Already ఇక్కడ అరవింద్ గారు నాకు లుక్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు సరిగ్గా మాట్లాడు అని. One pressure at a time. So Mama, I will start with you. I always like you and admire you, but ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్తో నాకు ఎక్స్ట్రా రెస్పెక్ట్ కేమ్. ఐ నో యు ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ మీ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి చాలా రెలవెంట్గా వాట్ ఎవర్ ఎక్కువ మా అమ్మ నాన్నతో డిస్కస్ ఎక్కువ చేయలేని అన్నీ యు ఆర్ ద పర్సన్ వీ యూస్ టు కమ్ అండ్ టాక్ బికాస్ కరెంట్గా రెలవెంట్గా యు ఆర్ ద కూల్ అంకుల్ ఫర్ అస్. సో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ నువ్వు గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ యూ సెడ్ యూ షుడ్ డూ ఇట్, దిస్ ఈస్ అ స్టోరీ వీ షుడ్ టెల్ ఎవ్రీబడి అన్నప్పుడు I was very amazed and I had a lot of respect that how relevant you are, even to today's generation after having grandchildren and all of them. So huge respect, Mama, and also I'm very thankful that I got to be the producer of this movie along with Dheeraj. It is a different movie for Geeta Arts, but we are also very proud to do this movie. And I have to thank Rahul for it. You gave us a brilliant story. Instantly, all of us connected with it at some point. Na namakam is, and it's a humble request to the media, publicity, and the audience that ilanti cinemalu should be watched. Idi ma cinema మేము చేసాం కాబట్టి అటాచ్మెంట్తో చెప్పట్లేదు, బట్ యాజ్ అ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ సిస్టర్, మదర్, డాటర్, ఐ ఫీల్ this is a movie which should be shown to every child, from a 13-year-old to an adult, and it has a lot of value. Sorry, I'm going to talk about the movie before I get to my cast and crew. చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ మనం అనుభవిస్తే తప్ప చెప్పలేము, చాలా ఫీలింగ్స్ మనకున్నా కూడా మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయలేము, అండ్ మన అడగలేని ప్రశ్నలు కూడా చాలా ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఐ ఫీల్ అండ్ ఐ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ బిలీవ్ this movie will give you an answer for all that, for both the boys and the girls. This is not a very feminist movie, girls movie ani kaadu. I would really humbly request that everybody should watch this movie at least once, and you'll have great value. So thank you, Rahul, for that, and Mama. I can bet the way Rashmika Garu and Deekshit acted in this movie, I'm sorry to say, but I think people will forget your name at the end of the movie. For a very long time, you're going to be remembered as Vikram and Bhuma, and the value you create for all of us. So that is, anta character lo kellipoyi within like some 20 minutes, you'll forget who they are. So you brought it out together, and extra applause to you for accepting this role. The audience will know why I said what I said. Thank you. Rashmika, very sweet of you to send us the bite, though you're very far away. You are missed here. We'll talk more in person. Hesham Garu, Prashant Vihari Garu, thank you so much for the lovely music which brought the whole story together. Chota Garu, it was pleasure talking to you and spending those times in the edit room. And the rest of the cast, KV Garu, Ram, Monica, Shravya, all of you, and the amazing AD enthusiastic young team which brought that energy. Anu Emmanuel, she's very sweet, she's very cute, she's glamorous, but but ee cinema lo meeru Anu Emmanuel laga chodaru. She is a person, everybody wants a friend like that in life, and that kind of a support. So you'll also remember her as Durga only after this movie. So please, 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 hope to see all of you in theaters on November 7th, and hope you'll receive it with a lot of love. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya Garu. Thank you so much. That was perfect, and all the very best, Andy.